Very good morning all of you. Today we will learn new story, but this is different one cause this is a comic story. Means this kind of story has many pictures and we will learn it through the pictures and we will understand it. This is the story of class 7th subject English lesson number 5 Gopal and Hilsa fish. Let's begin. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come, buy. The price of Hilsa fish is down today. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. And in the palace, too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier feels silent with downcast eyes. And the king feels guilty. I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish and no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Gopal is a wise man. He said, Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then let me see, buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. In Gopal's house with his wife. A few days later. Why is your face half shaved? I am dressing up to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I'm dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish. It's happened to him. He's gone mad. Beside the road there is crowd of people. From crowd, small boy said, Mother, look at the man. Isn't he comic? He must be a madman. Shh, I think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? The guards stopped him and asked. Gopal said, I want to see the king. Again the guard asked, You can't see the king. Get away with you. Gopal requested and began to dance and sing loudly. The king heard that something is wrong outside the palace. And he heard inside the palace, The man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. King ordered to guard, Bring that man to me at once. Your Majesty, Gopal was brought before the king. One of them identified him. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seems to have forgotten something. Gopal said. King, forgotten something? Gopal said. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. And king started laughing. Ha ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again.